I've really been building a career in 3D printing.
Women in 3D printing has just been a really great opportunity to open up the conversation between women, but also with men and women.
I really like the spirit here. I feel like I belong here.
The 3D printing community is small, but it's really powerful. For women especially, it's important for us to have a network and a community to rely on.
As long as those kinds of conversations are being encouraged and there's a safe place to have them, the industry just rises and everybody rises with it.